Do you love the sound that your big block makes with that new exhaust system, but hate the drone inside your car? Are you missing out on the maximum sound performance from your car's hard-hitting audio system? You need Flatline Barrier sound and heat canceling products. Super easy to use and requiring no special tools to install, Flatline Barrier is an advanced style of sound and heat barrier that beats the old style Buell soundproofing products were messy and difficult to install and added unwanted weight to your car. Flatline Barrier products crush the competition when tested by an independent lab that specializes in measuring heat and sound absorption and sound deflection. All Flatline Barrier products are made using an ultra lightweight expanded foam that silences unwanted noise and is topped with an aluminum barrier that eliminates heat transfer. Flatline Barrier is the perfect product to use when installing a high-end vehicle audio system when you want to control resonance and maximize high and low sound frequencies. Flatline Barriers, where heat and noise meet their maker.